Hi everyone, it's Simon Keeling here at weatherweb.net. Thanks again for watching. It is Tuesday, the 1st of July. Now, a big question is over the westerly flow that I think is going to be developing next week, and also high pressure. How far north does it come? More on that in just a moment. First up, sea surface temperatures. This is the latest anomaly, and you see we've still got very warm water look around the UK, and actually through much of Western Europe and through the Mediterranean as well. Got this cool pool of water in the middle part of the Atlantic, but very warm again across the central parts of the Atlantic. Now, as I've been telling you, watch for cold air, tongues of cold air coming across here in the form of a trough like so, because as they move eastwards, they will destabilise things and develop areas of low pressure. Just because we've got warm air at the surface, cold air aloft, it just adds to that the instability, and produces the higher risk of showers. So a quick look at the next few days. First of all, high pressure centred across Scotland today, quite a brisk easterly flow to the south. There's that area of low pressure. That's clearing. And by Wednesday, high pressure centred over southern areas with a cold front coming into western parts of Scotland, Western Ireland, bringing some showers here, but dry for most. Thursday set to be dry as well for most, just a residual front lying through here bringing 1-2 spots of rain. Could be a few spots of rain across northern Scotland as well, but generally it's dry again. And it's Friday that we start to see a change, with rain sweeping into the west during Friday. Eastern areas staying dry until Friday evening, and that front probably becoming quite slow moving and allowing it to bring some pretty heavy rain through Saturday, but bright spells following behind. And then into Sunday, low pressure again centred over the country on Sunday. This really is just then going to bring belts of showers eastwards through England and Wales, some pretty heavy showers as well. But there will be some sunshine in between, but overall it's mixed. And it stays that way next week as well. This is Monday, look. This is the showery westerly I was telling you about through July. And there it is again on Tuesday, and still in position on Wednesday. And lo and behold, it's there through Thursday as well. But notice the high here and the ridge building from the north from that high. This is where the question mark lies really, is how far north does that high get? Now, this is how the ECMWF sees it. This is Thursday the 10th. And again, that's got the westerly flow look across the Atlantic. The GFS sees it like this on the same day, builds more of a high look, puts further trough here. Now, the GFS building much on this idea of these troughs passing over that warm water, as I showed you, of producing the showers, some of them quite heavy. So the GFS sees that much more. And the Canadian really making a big thing of it. The Canadian saying, well, look, one of these lows comes through here. It slips southeastwards and it deepens as it goes, as it gets into that warm water, bringing the risk of heavy showers. The NAO, North Atlantic Oscillation, slips into, well, it kind of bounces around neutral, then slips slightly negative. But that also indicating that westerly flow. And, of course, that is produced from the GFS. So, as we've just seen, it's putting in a westerly flow on there. So, actually, it's saying, yeah, the westerly is in. And the CFS seen things like this for week 1. So, taking us up to the 7th of July, look, it's bringing in this westerly flow with higher than normal heights to the south, lower than normal heights towards the north. And then it says for week 2, it tries to build the high a little bit back further northward. It tries to get the ridge in as more of a feature. I think what's going to happen here is that during this period from sort of the 8th onwards, we find Scotland staying with heavy showers, perhaps some more showers Northern Ireland and Northern England. But I do think that much of England and Wales will be dry, although always the chance for shower in the west. And the CFS then goes back to the showery theme for the middle part of the month. But then into week 4, look, it then builds back in the high, building it towards the west, making quite a big feature of it across the UK. And this is this improvement I was telling you about yesterday. Remember I said about the 18th and 19th with the dates to watch. We could get high pressure perhaps building in for 5 or 6 days then. Could be a spell of hot and dry weather. We're going to keep a very careful watch on that. But for now, thanks again for watching weatherweb.net, and please do tell your friends about us. Spread the word. The more people we can get watching, the better. So, thanks for watching once again. Whatever you're doing, have a great day and keep the sun shining. Bye for now.